Na huwag tayong magalit. May pagkakataon na masiraan tayo, sumabog ang gulong dahil may reason yung nasa taas. May pangit na mangyayari sa'yo. Yung pagkakataon na ganun ba? Alam niyo yung ibig ko sabihin? Kaya pag nasiraan kayo sa kalsada, okay lang yun. Isipin nyo na yung nasa taas ang nakakaalam na, hey, huwag kang tumuloy. Pasasabogin ko yung gulong mo dyan. Sisirain ko yung truck mo dyan. Dyan ka muna. Kaya huwag tayong magalit. It's not a shit day. It's not a bad day. Umabot ako sa aking loading kanina. So nag-load na ako dito sa John Deere. As usual, the same procedure. Nothing's new. Nothing's new.
Sayang mo, baby. Ay, ay, ay. Paano ako makaakyat? Tinali nila. Ay, ay, ay. Ngayon natin yan. Parang ito yan, no? Ayun na. Kuha ka ng tiknik. First na yan. Alam mo yung mga bakal na ginamit parang napakalambot eh. Alam niyo yan. Usual lagay ng windshield top para na masira ang windshield customer. Parang ginawa yata nila to para lagyan talaga ng windshield tarp eh, no? Oh. Hold on, guys. Nothing's new. So load the same sa mga load, previous load, right? And let's go out. Check ko lang yung serial number. Ooh. Sipon. EX271. EXE 40 dash 338-276. Hindi yan eh, loko. Hindi yan. Nasaan ba yan? Kabila pala. Hindi yan ang serial number. Ba't yan ba kinukuha ko? Where is it? Yun lang. Saan nila nilagay yung serial number? Oh. Saan nila nilagay? Malapit daw sa hagdan. Ayun. Sus, saan ka pala natatago? 1 inch. Zero X9 110 XHS 835 290 Boyd. That's it.
Approved and ready for you, we'll give you a call and get you pulled into the van, okay?
I got an oversized load there, so it's
Are you able to drop it? Because we wouldn't be able to if we're doing the van.
it's heavy.
Yeah.
So you can install outside?
Yeah, we'd have to do them outside then.
Huh?
If you're not able to drop it, we'd have to do it outside.
Outside? Yeah, so I'm just gonna find some parking.
Four batteries. Yeah, if you just find a parking spot once we're ready
Yeah, I'm
for
just
it and
gonna
approved.
weigh my truck and then I'm gonna find some spot.
Okay.
Okay. Hindi na lagyan ng baterya kahapon dahil busy yung sa Rockville hanggang sa dumating ako sa around 9 o'clock. Sabi ko sa kanila kung hindi nyo malagyan ng baterya yung aking truck around 8, i-cancel ko na lang yung aking baterya dahil kailangan kong matulog at mag-i-start nga ako ng 12 o'clock in the morning. So hindi nalagyan. So nandito ako sa tawag dito Devonport.
hours and 59 minutes of remaining drive time.
Okay, ito yung battery. This is 1,000. Yeah, apat yung ipapalit ko sa bagong baterya. At least napalitan na rin ang baterya for 2 years now. Apat na 1,000. Then let's say kung may pagbabago, kung wala pa rin, baka alternator, not sure. Hindi natuloy yung pagpalit ng baterya dahil dun sa tawag dito, late na silang natapos or sobrang busy nila kahapon, kaya ngayon pa lang tapos na yung aking baterya, naikabit na yung bagong baterya. Now let's try. Okay, meron pa rin lumalabas tong EBS. Yun, iba nga ang kanyang tunog, suabe, pero meron siyang engine light. Why? EBS not working. Yeah, at least iba na. So now, yung aking binayaran ay yung binayaran lahat-lahat ay 1,092. So that's around 55,000. This is Canadian, this is US dollar times 55,000, something like that. So ang battery replacement, so apat na baterya, 209, 839 yung apat. Battery core 120. What is battery core? Okay, less nila yung battery, 120. Replace battery 165 yung hour. 41.47 yung labor. So 165. Bakit apat na oras? Ha? Apat na oras? Ay isang oras lang niya pinalitan? Yung tax niya ay 78. Ang labor 165 USD. Paano siya naging apat na oras, oh? Eh isang oras lang niya ginawa. Anyway, so meron nga pala akong meron akong brake modulator bulbs na kailangan i-upgrade dito sa Amerika. Tatawagan ko lang yung Freightliner. Hello ma'am, good afternoon. It's Q-Line Tracking. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
So far so good. I went here in Love's Truck Stop and they gave me this recall campaign for my Cascadia, the brake modulator bulbs.
Okay, let me transfer you to service.
Sure. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What can I do for you?
Okay, I received a recall campaign. I'm here in Love's Truck Stop right now. The subject is
Okay.
the brake modulator bulbs for my
Populator valve?
2017-2023 Freightliner, and
Okay.
I got a 2021 Freightliner.
Okay.
So can
So what
I
can I do for you?
make an appointment for this brake modulator bulbs?
Are you at the Love's across the street?
I'm here in Love's, Devonport.
Yeah, you know they have a shop there that you can do the recall as well.
They can do it. They can do it here
Yeah, they can do it there.
in Love's,
Yeah, that is correct.
and I'm not gonna pay anything.
It's a recall, it's free.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna tell them.
Yeah, perfect. I only say that because we're a little bit backed up right now, so I probably won't even do till tomorrow to get you.
Okay, but I'm gonna tell these guys here I'm not gonna pay anything in Love's.
That's correct.
But they
It's
told me that they don't have the system, like what do you call that one? computer or the software?
It's just, is it brake modulator valves or is it a programming recall?
Yeah, the program, I think.
Hold on, I'll get it pulled up for you real quick. I'll look at it. Give me one moment.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second. Alright, what's the last 6 of your bid?
Let me check. And
Yeah, brake modulator.
yeah,
Yeah, that could be done at the lab.
can be done at the labs.
Yeah, that could be done at the lab.
So it doesn't need a software for this one.
Nope, nope. The only thing it needs is the brake modulator valve. Just leave it in.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go back there and tell them, right?
Yep, go there and tell them it's just brake modulator valve recall and you should be able to do it.
All right, okay. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Kausap ko sila sa loob, sabi nila hindi nila gagawin yung software. Tapos tatlo pala yung A, B to G, yung parts mismo, but yung software, wala sila noon. Pero sabi nung taga Trucks and Truck Country, hindi kailangan ng software.
Okay. So that's something you want to bring here?
It says here that need to be updated for my brake modulator.
Correct. Would you like to bring it here?
Yeah, it can be done now.
It might be a little bit before we get you to the shop, but we can get that done for you today.
All right, okay, I'm gonna unhook my trailer.
Alright, sounds good, bud.
All right, okay, what's your name?
Brady.
Okay, Birdie. Okay, thanks, Birdie.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So pupunta ako dun sa ano, sa Freightliner para ma-upgrade yung modulator. Hindi ko na sana alam to. dadalhin ko yung truck dito sa Freightliner. Wala akong babayaran, walang igagastusin yung kumpanya. I-update lang nila yung software at saka yung siguro yung kailangan i-update. So malapit lang dito, 3 minutes. Proceed to service. I hope so na gagawin nila today. Not sure. Service in progress. Hey mga choy. So nandito ako ngayon sa isang Freightliner dito sa may Devonport. Dinala ko tong truck kasi naka-receive ako from Love. Sabi sa akin meron kang recall ng iyong brake modulator valve. Pwede lang gawin sa Love's, free of service, wala akong babayaran, kahit yung company walang babayaran, but kailangan ng software update sa aking truck. So ano yung brake modulator valve? Ito yung valve na nagko-control dito sa ABS. Kita mo yung ABS, laging lumalabas yan. Once na naka-cruise control ako, minsan kusa na lang siyang nagbe-brake, and which is true, yan ang lumalabas ngayon. Yung mga cross control ko ito sa cross control, ito yung sa ABS. Okay, kailangan i-update, kaya pala lagi siyang labas ng labas. Meron pa akong engine light, pero hindi yung kasama yung engine light doon sa papalitan nila na brake modulator valve. Meron silang recall lahat ng truck na 2017 to 2023 na mga model. Ito na. Hi boss.
I just need to grab some information out of the truck.
Okay, yeah.
I brought you back your paper just in case you need it.
Okay, yeah, thank you. You want me to go down?
Either down or hop in the bucket.
Okay, yeah,
Gotta
sure.
Take a picture of the mileage.
Yeah. I hope it can be done tonight.
Hopefully we can squeeze you in, but
Yeah, 'cause I got a oversized load waiting there.
You already gave me your phone number, right?
It's already there, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. You're done? Oh no.
Yep. Just gonna take a picture of the VIN. Now I'm done.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So sana nga matapos nila ngayon dahil, pero okay lang din naman dahil naka-reset ako. Wala na akong oras kundi 2 hours na lang yata, so hindi na siya abot kung saan. Anyway, babasahin ko sa inyo kung ano yung brake modulator valve at ano yung magiging consequence at ano yung magiging responsibility mo as driver pag hindi mo siya dinala sa shop, kung hindi mo siya pinagawa at na-aksidente ka. Okay, ito yung papel na binigay ng Lab. Sabi ko, paano mo nalaman na meron akong recall? So meron pala silang tinatawag na nakaka-access sila sa Freightliner kung ano yung mga truck na may mga recall. So recall campaign, Transport Canada, copy of notice to owners, subject brake modulator, screenshot ko na lagay ko dyan, modulator valves. For notice to Canadian customers, this notice is sent to you in accordance with the requirements of the Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Okay, on behalf of its Freightliner Truck Division, the wholly owned subsidiary Western Truck Sales has decided that a defect which relates to motor vehicle safety exists in certain specific model years 2017, 2023 Freightliner and so on Cascadia, Western Star 47X, 48X, 49X and 57X vehicle manufactured from March 3, 2016 through June 18, 2022 vehicles. On the affected vehicles, the single brake modulator valves may corrode, which during adapted cruise control, yung naka-adapted cruise control ka,
Cruise control, yeah, yung sa kagaya ng car nyo. So pag naka-cruise control ang Cascadia, which during adaptive cruise control or ECC, braking event could lead to a brake pull. Yung pala yung bigla na lang siyang bibrake yung truck kahit naka-cruise control ka. This may result in a sudden change in the vehicle direction due to uneven braking on the front axle, increasing a risk of a motor vehicle crash. Okay, the North America Authorized Vehicle Safety Facility will inspect and replace the brake modulator valve as required. Braking event required or eligible vehicles install diagnostic software that can check for emerging failure in the valve and will provide the driver in a vehicle alert if detected. The recall will take approximately 2 hours and will be performed free of charge. Wala akong babayaran, walang babayaran ng company. Kasi ito ay nung mga truck na ginawa nung March 3, 2016 to June 18, 2022. Ito yung may mga brake modulator valve na may defect. Please contact authorized Truck North America dealer to arrange to have the recall performed and ensure that the parts are available at the dealership to locate blah blah blah. Okay, ito na yung exciting part. You may be liable for any progressive damage that results from your failure to complete the recall within a reasonable time after receiving notification. So kung nabangga ka dahil doon sa nangyari na biglang nag-brake siya during sa cruise control at nalaman na yun ang defect, yung brake modulator valve, meron kang liability as driver kasi merong binigay na recall campaign. Na-receive mo siya, hindi mo siya pina-check up, so kasalanan mo yun, no? Okay, if you don't own the vehicle that corresponds to the identification numbers which appears on the notification, return the notification to Warranty Campaigns Department with any information you can furnish that will assist, please, locating the present owner. So, ito yung kagandahan dito sa America, sa Canada, which is itong Freightliner ay made in America, made in Mexico, but of course, US. No, doon ang production sa Mexico, but ito ay US truck kasi mas murang labor doon. Pag may mga defect na kailangang i-change, may mga defect na kailangang palitan sa lahat ng mga truck na model, nililibre nila yon. Okay? Kaya nga merong tinatawag dito na anong tawag dito? Motor Vehicle Safety Act, LTFRB. Makinig kayo, Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Dapat meron ganito, hindi yung gumagamit tayo ng lumang mga truck kaya ang daming aksidente, isisisi sa driver, pero may kasalanan yung may-ari dahil yung mga truck luma na hindi na dapat pwede sa highway, no? So kaya ang mga truck dito, ang mga company nag-change sila ng mga unit every 1 million kilometers, every 800,000 kilometers nagpapalit sila. Then may mga software ngayon, mga truck ngayon, to make your life more easier. Okay, just like din mga bagong Freightliner, mga bagong Mack, mga bagong Volvo, lahat ang daming mga ini-insert na mga software dyan, mga tools na pwedeng gamitin ng driver para iwas aksidente, para everything, nandun na lahat, naka-install na. Unlike dun sa mga classic na truck na walang mga software, walang mga sensor, pero maganda tingnan. Classic truck, old trucks, de cambio. But nowadays, kahit yung mga sasakyan ninyo, mga automatic na lahat to make your life more easier sa pagdadrive. Hindi ka na magka-clutch, no? Ang dami ng mga sensor, ang dami ng safety. Ganon ngayon, iba na eh. Ang mga truck ngayon, pa-upgrade, paganda, pagwapuhay ang itsura, no? Yung mga classic, maganda lang tingnan yan, machong-macho, pero yung mga sensor niyan, yung mga daming kulang kasi classic nga, lumang style. Pero ang ganitong mga truck, this is 2021 model, so may mga sensor siya, may mga kailangan palitan ng sensor, may kailangan i-update na mga software, no? Just like our cars, just like our cellphone na kailangan i-update every now and then para mas gumana ng husto. So hintayin ko yung makapasok itong truck matapos nila mamayang gabi, and it's okay. Hindi ako nagmamadali dahil naka-reset ako tonight at today. Ang aking trailer iniwan ko sa Labs, yung oversize, napalitan ng baterya, which is good. Everything is good. Iba na yung andar niya, iba na yung palo ng kuryente niya. Naka 1000 cca called cranking up amp. Kaya yung luma ay 950, so nag-upgrade ako ng isa pang 50, nagdagdag ko ng 50 para mas malakas siya during sa winter time, or basta maganda yung cranking niya. So ngayon okay na, which is satisfied ako sa ano, bumayad sila ng $1,000. That's around 1.5 or 1.6 company naman eh. So hintayin ko lang na makapasok ang truck, then sana matapos ngayon or bukas, it's okay. Then bago ako tatakbo sa highway pabalik ng Canada, everything is good. And the next load namin, makakapunta kami ng Ontario, Bridgewood, I think.
You have 2 hours and 58 minutes of remaining drive time.
I know, right? So yung aming next load, pagka-deliver nito sa Warman, next load namin from Warman all the way Woodbridge, Ontario. Woodbridge, Ontario, yung aming next delivery sa Microsoft Langstaff Road. Langstaff Road sa may Woodbridge, Ontario. So I'll see you guys sa Ontario. Makakabalik na kami. Kasama ko si Manoy, si GP at saka si Jiban. Mga dating nag-ice road, ngayon magsasama ulit sa isang way papunta ng Woodbridge, Ontario. So hintayin ko lang, and then I'll update you guys mamaya pag okay na, everything's good, soft. Kailangan ko pang maligo. Yeah, kailangan ko pang maligo. Kailangan tapusin ito ngayon. So yung aking truck ay nakapasok na. Alas 7 na ng gabi dito, hanggang 12 midnight sila. Tatapusin na nila yun. So tapos na yung truck. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
That thing?
So all we did was we changed these out.
Okay. And also it was updated by the software?
Yeah, the software will update itself. Yeah.
Alright, okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Ito lang pala pinalitan. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Alright. I'm all set. Mga dan, mga chuy, mga chay. Balik ako sa Labs kasi nandun yung aking truck. Thank you so much. There you go, yan ang Labs. Napakalapit lang sa aking pinuntahan na Freightliner. So ngayon, salpak ang trailer, then shower guys, shower. Dito yung aking trailer. Yun no. So packins ko lang. So paano mga choy, mga chay? Ngit-ngit na dire. Tapusin ko na tong video. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Maura na siya karon. Ito lang yung aking, ito yung nangyari sa aking for the whole day. Hinabol ko yung load, makuha yung load, then palit ng battery, then warranty dun sa sinasabi kong brake modulator bulbs. Yeah, recall campaign. So ito yun. So daghang salamat, and until bukas kung sa may mahitabuan pag-ampi mo tanan, and they will keep on tracking. Tulog na sila. Good night.